Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Akmal Hafiz bin Ashraf Effendi. I will talk about introduction of vector and scalar and vector expression. Introduction of vector. Scalar and vector are two kinds of quantity that are used in physics and math. Then it is explained the method for determining angle between two vectors. Vector expression. Scalar are quantity that only have magnitude or size, while vector have both magnitude and direction. Vector has both magnitude and direction, can be one, two, or different dimension. Any chain can reflect either change in direction or a change in magnitude or change in both. The result of mathematical operation may give either scalar or vector. Example: displacement, velocity, acceleration, force, and momentum. Scalar has magnitude but no direction, one dimension. Any chain can reflect change in magnitude. Any mathematical operation carried out two among or more scalar quantity will provide a scalar only. Example: speed, area, volume, time, mass, density, and energy.
Basic vector definition, vector notation and representation. A vector is represented by a directed line segment. First, the arrow shows the direction of the vector. Second, the length indicates its magnitude. Number 3, symbol of vector: AB, arrow above, AB bold, or small a, arrow above. Vectors can be represented as horizontal coordinate xyz, vertical coordinate xyz, or xi plus yj plus zk. Independent vectors. A vector that does not depend on any coordinate, that it can start at any coordinate. Position vector. A vector that starts from the origin. Equality of vectors. Two vectors are equal if both vectors have the same magnitude and direction, even though the starting point is not the same. For example, vector A small arrow above equal B small arrow above, hence A small arrow above double slash B small arrow above, and magnitude A small arrow above equal B magnitude arrow above. Negative vector. Negative vector is a vector that has the same magnitude but opposite direction with the other vector. Vector negative small a arrow above is a negative vector for A small arrow above, but their magnitude are still the same. Magnitude negative A arrow above equal magnitude small a arrow above.
Hi guys, I will continue with basic vector calculation. We choose exercise 2 question 1b. The question want to find a magnitude and unit vector for q equals to 11i plus 6k. Magnitude equals to square root 11 square plus 0 square plus 6 square equals to square root 157 and equals to 12.530. Unit vector equals to 11 unit vector equals to 11i plus 6k divide 12.530 equals to 11 divide 12.530i plus 6 divide 12.530k equals to 0.878i plus 0.79k.
Hi, my name is Ahmad Farhan bin Mahdi. My metric number is 01DKA22L1039. I will talk about the addition and subtraction of vectors. Definition of vector addition: a parallelogram method. If vector u and vector v are vectors positioned so the initial point of vector v is at the terminal point of vector u. Then the sum vector u plus vector v is the vector from the initial point of vector u to the terminal point of vector v. The triangle law of the vector state that when two vectors are represented as two sides of the triangle with the order of magnitude and direction, then the third side of the triangle represent the magnitude and direction of the result vectors and result vector. Parallelogram law of the vector state that if two vectors acting at a point are represented in magnitude and direction by the two adjacent sides of the parallelogram, then their resultant is represented in magnitude and direction by the diagonal passing through the common tail of the two vectors. The conclusion is vectors have many real-life applications, including situations involving force or velocity. For example, consider the forces acting on a boat crossing a river. The boat's motor generates a force in one direction, and the current of the river generates a force in another direction. Both forces are the vectors. Thank you.